In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video quality in Reddit. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account in your browser or in the Reddit app. Changing video quality is tied to videos you upload or view, so you need to be able to access your profile and the post creation tools. To begin, look toward the top or right hand side of the Reddit interface for the Create button. This is the button you'll use to start making a new post. Go ahead and click on Create. This opens the Post Composer where you can choose what kind of content you want to share. Inside this composer, you'll see options for different types of posts such as text, links, images, and videos. Here, you want to choose the option that says Image and Video. Clicking on Image and Video tells Reddit that you want to upload media instead of just writing a text post. Once you've selected Image and Video, you'll be prompted to upload a file from your device. Click the Upload area or the button that lets you browse your files, then select the video you want to post. Wait for the upload to finish. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, this might take a little time. It's important to let the upload and initial processing complete before you move on. After the video has uploaded and appears in the preview area, look inside the video player for a small gear icon. This gear icon is usually associated with settings or options for playback. Click on the gear icon to open the video quality settings. Here, you can choose the playback quality that works best for you. Higher quality will look sharper and clearer, especially on larger screens, but it may use more data and take a bit longer to load. Lower quality will load faster and use less data, which can help if your internet connection is slower or unstable. Pick the quality level you prefer and Reddit will adjust the video playback accordingly. Once you've set the video quality and you're happy with how it looks, you can finish composing your post by adding a title, choosing a community, and then publishing. That's all you need to do to upload your video and control how it plays back using the gear icon in Reddit's video player.